Start by pressing the Mode toggle button until you see the Averaging Measurement Mode icon. The Number of Measurements icon and the Selection knob will flash. By rotating the Selection knob, you can choose the number of readings you would like to be averaged. You can select from 2 to 5 measurements to average. In this example, I'm going to set 4 measurements to be averaged. Press the knob to set the number of readings. As a result, the icon for Time Before First Measurement begins to flash. The default time before first reading is set to 0. Rotate the Selection knob to set the number of minutes prior to the initial reading. Choose from 0 to 5 minutes. Then press the knob one time once the desired selection has been displayed. Next, the Time Between Measurements icon will begin to flash. Follow the same process to set the time between measurements. You can choose between 15 to 120 seconds. After pressing the Selection knob to set the time between measurements, the timer begins to count down the seconds until the first reading begins if you have selected a delayed start. After measurements are taken and averaged, the results are displayed on the screen. A long beep indicates that averaging has been successfully completed. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.